shadows and the shit that creep up in my coffin. I know what I do, no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to use a Tor browser on Linux without installing it. First go to the web browser, search Tor browser. Download the Tor browser. If you want, you can download the normal version or the development version. Let's download Linux 64-bit. Save the file. After the download is completed, open the folder. Enter. Extract the main folder. You can delete the zip file. Copy those two files on your main home directory. Now on the terminal install Alakite. Now let's boot Alakite from the terminal. Let's go to internet. New application. The name. Command, click browse. Go to home. Click start Tor browser.desktop. OK. The icon. Browser, home icons, default, the biggest one, OK, and click OK. Now close, go to the application menu and you will see Tor browser. Add to preferences if you like, click, and now Tor browser will work very well without needing to open the terminal. Just click your quick launch icon that we just created. It is loading the network and done. Now you know how to use Tor browser without installing it on every version of Linux. See you later guys.